Hey everyone, it's me, Diamond Arts. I know I haven't really been posting videos lately, and I am so sorry. I truly am. But today I have an unbagging 3 diamond painting pens that I ordered last month in the very end of August with Daniel. And the only reason why it took a little while was because he didn't have these in his stash, so he had to order them for me. And then he had gotten sick, so he was had a few back orders. So he sent me the email on Wednesday morning, I believe it was, and today's Saturday, and it's here. So let's get into it. I'm sorry, my dog is barking clearly. So gross. Okay, so this is my receipt. Oh, he has a new business card. Check him out. I love his work. His work is absolutely amazing. The way he shapes his pens, oh, flawless. So I ordered 3, and I ordered them without tips because I have so many tips. So let's get into this. I love the way he packed them. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so this is the first one. And this is Pineapple Crush, I think it's called. Amazing. And I think this is the 2 bump. I just love that yellow and that blue. So the reason why, oops, sorry, you couldn't even see that. The reason why I got this pen is because my wedding colors were yellow and royal blue. So I just said, why not? Super cute, and I love how comfortable it feels. Oops, I'm shaking, y'all. And as you can see, you're on a tall glass. I still haven't purchased a tripod, and that I will be purchasing soon. And this one is Berry Crush or Berry Red Berry. I can't remember the names. And this is Deep Divot. I remember that I do remember. Wow. It's so crazy because when he sent me the message and I looked at them, like, pictures don't do these pens any justice. Even in video, you can't capture the beauty of these pens. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. So that is the second one. And then the last one, I remember this name, and this one is called Chili Pepper. So it's clear, glassy, and then it has like a red ribbon in it. So nice. I got this one because of my husband, actually. He likes red, so he's like, you don't have any red diamond painting pens, why don't you get a red one? So I always like when you can like see through the pen a little, so I said I'll try Chili Pepper. And this is the 4 bump, and I ordered all of them without any tips because I don't need any more tips. And I believe when you purchase them without tips, they are only $15. So for all three of these pens with tax and everything came out to $53.24. So not a bad deal at all. I'm so used to paying way more for my pens, and I don't see myself going to anyone else but him anymore. He is like, he has got me. Like, that's it. Me and him are BFFs. So here we go. I think this is blue pineapple, and this is, I believe, red berry or something berry, and then chili pepper. So those are my three new pens. How gorgeous are those? And if you haven't ordered from him, please do. He is extremely fast in delivery, and he gets back to you within a day or two, and he will let you know if he will have to order them or if he has them in stock. He is amazing to work with. Well, thank you guys for watching. Again, it is Lassen Lathe Works. Check him out on Etsy, and he has a Facebook group also. He is absolutely amazing. Well, thank you guys. Hope you have a great one, and hopefully I can make a few more videos. And I actually have another unboxing that I will be doing later today. So there you guys have it. Again, beautiful, beautiful pens. Please go check him out. Bye, guys.